The three essential elements for human survival, air, food, and water, have become toxic in our modern world. At All-In Nutritionals, we are addressing this issue one product at a time. The All-In Ionic Mineral Showerhead filters, mineralizes, and alkalinizes your water for a clean and luxurious shower experience. Let's unbox it. This is our CEO opening up his showerhead. It includes the universal showerhead attachment with a cotton filter filled with the filtration stones and minerals inside. This is the hose that gives you flexibility for handheld use. Please discard these clear plastic covers. To attach the showerhead to the hose, simply remove the plastic piece from the bottom of the showerhead and take the black washer out and place it directly into the end of the hose. And screw on your showerhead. Place the second black washer into the other end of the hose and screw in the showerhead holder filter combo. Now it's time to install it in the shower. Our universal showerhead attachment will work in 99% of showers. Simply unscrew your current showerhead and remove it. You'll then screw on the All-In Ionic Mineral Showerhead from the filter side onto your wall mount. The showerhead has an easy start-stop button that you can press to do just that. Once turned on, you have 3 different water mode options: rainfall, massage, or combo. It's unusual to find a showerhead that provides water purification and enhanced water pressure. The All-In Ionic Mineral Showerhead is substantially more pressurized than your normal shower. Just look at the difference between a new filter and one that's been used for a few months. And that's just from shower water. Experts say that the body absorbs between 6 to 8 glasses of water in one single long hot shower. Do you want to absorb chlorinated, fluorinated, toxic water, or pure, clean, mineralized, and alkalinized water? The choice is clear. Go all in on your health and your shower experience with the All-In Ionic Mineral Showerhead.